You should put your hand right here.
Feel the heat. Please tell me what you're doing right now.
I'm working on my fitness.
What is that thing?
It's this new Thigh Master that I got off of TikTok shop, and this thing is less than $15.
What?
Yeah, and I'm like burning right now. Like it's burning. My hips are burning.
I'm like, what is burning? What is burning?
My hips are burning. Like I don't know how much longer I can do it.
Seriously?
Yeah, I can just sit here and scroll TikTok and do this though, but woo, doggy.
Really?
Yeah, when you have babies, you know how when I have to cross my legs to sneeze?
Yeah.
He will come out if I don't.
Or you can't go to the trampoline park?
Yeah, no. This is supposed to help with that. It's like Kegels.
It's like
Feel the burn.